Let me hear some noise for Alex. Let me hear some noise. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox! Beatbox!
Yes. William. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
Let me hear some noise for Scarlett one time. Let me hear some noise. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Chloe. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox! Boots and cats.
Beatboxing. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
Whoa, ladies and gentlemen.
Your job is to make that sound when I point at your group. We will. Here we go, bass drums. And again. Wow, give yourselves a huge clap. That sounds fantastic.
We're ready, Alex!
I wonder if he's going to use the middle group. Good job. Well done, Alex. Give Alex a big clap. So a loop station records my voice, and with that recording, it loops it over and over again, just like this, over again, just like this, over and we can build these loops and make songs like this. Over and over again, just like over and over again, Say Thursday's school. We're gonna make a song together as a class. Great job. Well done. La la la, a little bit more. La la la.